4 simple rules that will help you to stay safe from foodborne illnesses in the kitchen: cleaning, cooking, cross-contamination, and chilling. Clean kitchen surfaces after preparing foods. Try to clean as you go. After handling raw meat, poultry, fish, and other raw foods, always wash hands, utensils, and surfaces thoroughly and before any contact with other food, especially cooked and ready-to-eat foods. Cooking. Follow recipes and label instructions on cooking times and temperatures. Remember to preheat the oven properly. Check food is piping hot before serving. Double check that sausages, burgers, pork, poultry are cooked right through. There should not be red or pink in the middle, and when pierced with a knife, any juices that run out of the meat should be clear, not bloody. Don't cook foods too far in advance. Once cooked, keep foods covered and piping hot above 63 degrees Celsius until it's time to eat them. When using the microwave, stir foods and drinks and allow them to stand for a couple of minutes to avoid hot or cold spots. Cross-contamination. Food poisoning is often caused when harmful bacteria on one food are spread via hands or kitchen utensils to cross-contaminate other foods. Good hygiene helps prevent this. Keep raw food separate from cooked and ready-to-eat food at all times. In particular, keep raw meat, fish, poultry, and other raw foods away from ready-to-eat foods such as salads, bread, and sandwiches. Never put cooked food on a plate which has previously held raw foods until it has been thoroughly washed. Ideally, use separate chopping boards for raw and cooked foods. Wash hands after handling raw foods and before touching other foods and utensils. Chilling. Do not put hot food directly into the fridge or freezer. Let it cool sufficiently first. But remember that cooling should be completed within 1 or 2 hours after cooking. To speed cooling, divide foods into smaller portions, place in a white dish, and stand this in a shallow tray of cold water.